Good morning, everyone. I have a fun winter wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make a beautiful winter wreath using one of Dollar Tree's wooden wreath bases, a few picks, and some beautiful ribbon. Let me show you how to make it. For today's project, you're going to need one of the Crafter Square wooden wreath bases. These are 12 inches in diameter. I really like these. They are so versatile. You can do so many different things with it. Today we're going to be painting our base a basic white, and I'm just going to be using Apple Barrel's matte white paint. The paint is all nice and dry. Now I have two of these picks that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Now I've kind of fluffed them out, opened them up, and arced them so that they'll follow the shape of the wreath form. And I think they're very pretty. I think they're full enough. I'm not going to be adding anything else to them other than a bow. But before I attach them, I want to make my bow. This is the ribbon that we're going to be using today. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It's one of my favorite ribbons. I did pick this up from craftoutlet.com, and I have purchased this several times. It was $4.95, and this is 1.5 inches at 10 yards, and it is made by Expressions. You want to cut 5 pieces of this ribbon at 16 inches and 1 piece at 4 inches. So I have 5 pieces cut at 16 inches, 1 piece cut at 4 inches, and a pipe cleaner. I'm going to be using my bow dabber to help hold everything. My hands are kind of bothering me today. So the first piece here is going to be our tails. So I'm going to fold this in half, and I'm going to do a dovetail here on the ends. Cut from the fold to the end. And you can get a nice little dovetail. So again, find the center, scrunch, place that in. It's always nice to have a bow maker because they hold everything for you. Okay, now on the next 4 pieces here of your 16 inch, you're going to fold it over itself by about 1 inch. I'm going to press down so you can find the center. Then you're going to scrunch it right in the center and place that in your bow maker. Okay, after you get all of those in, I'm going to grab it and lift it up. Hold it nice and pinched, and then your 4-inch piece, this is going to be your center loop. So just take it and make a little loop. Make sure it covers itself by about 1 inch. Place that right into the center. Take your pipe cleaner, run it through the center loop there. Get it nice and tight. Pull it to the back. And give a couple good twists. Okay, and then as I fluff out my bow, I always like to hold it right in the center. Pull down your tails, open up your loops, and spread them out. Okay, so that's approximately what your bow should look like. I'll do my final adjusting once I get it onto the wreath. Now it's time to get these on. But before I attach those, I want to add a hanger to our wreath here. I just take a piece of jute cord, fold it in half to make a loop, and then double knot the bottom here. Okay, and then to attach that, take the loop, put it underneath. Okay, grab it and pull it through. Then pull that together. You want the knot to be on the back. And then here on the back, you want to glue the knot down. And just add a little bit of hot glue to the back and pull that through. And then trim off any excess. A dab more on the top. Now I have a perfect hanger for my wreath. Now I just need to decide where I want to place my Pics. And I'm thinking probably right about there. And the bow in the center. Okay. Now the first thing I'm going to do is hot glue these into place, and then I'm going to go over them with some floral tape to make sure that they don't come loose. Then I'm going to go over it with the floral tape. Now I picked the floral tape up at Dollar Tree over in the floral garden department. Now floral tape likes to stick to itself, so to get it started you want to wrap it around itself a couple times. Just continue to wrap until you secure your Pics to your wreath form. My Pics are nice and securely attached and everything looks nice and clean. And now we just need to attach our bow. And to do that I'm just going to use the pipe cleaners and wrap it around the wreath form here and tie it off in the back. And turn it over. Go ahead and fluff out your bow. I have my bow on and I'm really happy, but I think I need a little bit more greenery right behind the bow there. So I cut a couple pieces off of this greenery. It came on a really large stem. I believe I picked it up from Joann's. So it has a couple little berries there and then 2 leaves on each of them. And I want to attach this kind of right underneath the bow, just to fill in right there. Now see, I think that looks much better. So I have one piece for each side. And I'm just going to hot glue that into position. And then once that glue sets up, I will go back and wrap it like I did the other to make sure that it stays nice and secure. So I filled in behind my bow there, and then I decided I wanted to add some pine cones, and I went ahead and tipped them in white, and then I just glued them into the other greenery. I'm very happy with how it looks now. I think it's so pretty, big and full. There is one more thing I want to add. I have this cute little wood cutout. It says "Let It Snow." I painted it white, the same color as the base. And I want to attach it in the center right down here on the bottom. Just like that. And to do that, I'm going to attach it with some super glue wood glue. And here you go, we are all done. I'm very happy with the end result. I like that pristine white with a little bit of the greenery, some flocked, some not. Oh, I think it's absolutely gorgeous and will be so beautiful in my kitchen this winter. What a fun and easy wreath to put together. You have your wreath base, a couple Pics, a little bit of greenery, some pine cones, and ribbon, and you are good to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, you want to hit that too. That way YouTube will let you know every time I upload new content. And I do add new content to my channel every week. Thank you so much for taking the time to spend with me today. I really do appreciate it. You have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.